In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can add Shopify link to your TikTok bio, okay? And I'm also going to show you some tips about this. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to copy the URL of your Shopify store. Now, if you are using a laptop or phone or PC, the same steps. You just want to search for Shopify and log in into your Shopify store, okay? I'm going to do that right now. Okay, now after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and this is the URL of your Shopify store. Okay, now if we like, as you can see, whenever someone clicks on this URL, it will take them directly to your Shopify store. Okay, now I'm not publishing this store, that's why it says here coming soon, because I didn't publish my my Shopify store. Now after you copy, guys, the URL of your Shopify, you want to open TikTok. Okay, if you are using a laptop or phone, the same steps. Now I'm going to open TikTok using the web version. I'm going to click on TikTok. I'm also going to use it using the phone version right now, so that even if you don't understand how you can do that on a laptop, you can do that on your phone. I am going to open here the as you can see, I'm going to open here TikTok. As you can see, this is TikTok. I'm going to open it. Okay, now I'm going to click on where it says profile. Now, like I said, after you copy, guys, the Shopify URL, as you can see, this is my Shopify URL here. I have added it. I have added the URL here. Now, what you need to do, guys, if you are using the web version, you want to click on view profile in the top right, and then click on edit profile. And like, as you can see, the bio, you have to add the link here. That's in case you don't have 1,000 followers. If you have 1,000 followers, you don't have to add it in bio. Just close this and go to the app, okay, and then click on edit profile. And after that, you want to click on website. So I know that for most of you, they don't have the website option on their TikTok app because you don't have 1,000 followers, but don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you can add that. Okay, now if you have it, just click on it and then paste the link here, and then click save in the top right. And now you have successfully added your Shopify store link to your TikTok. Now people can click on that link and they can access your website. Now let's say that you don't have 1,000 followers. Okay, go to YouTube. Okay, now first thing, before I show you guys, if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated, and search for how to get 1,000 TikTok followers in 1 minute. That's the video that I made for people who want to get 1,000 followers, usually for people who want to go live. So this is the video. Okay, the name of the channel is Muhammad Tech, and I made this video. I'm gonna be showing you how to get. I made this video, guys, for those who want to go live, but for you, you can use the same method to get 1,000 followers, so that you can. I am going to add this video link on the screen right now, so please drop a like and click on that video, get 1,000, and then the website option will appear on your TikTok app. See you guys in the next video. Have a good